What's going on, everyone? It's V8 back with another one. I'm just leaving the shop right now. I got the polyurethane engine and trans mounts installed, taking it on its maiden voyage. There's actually another ZJ coming up on me on the left. See what's good with it. It's not a V8. Got these stupid stickers on it too. I don't know what's going on. So far, so good. I mean, it's only been a few blocks, but you could already tell it's much more solid. This Jeep feels like one chunk of metal rather than a chunk of metal with an engine sitting in it. Like, it's really solid and sturdy. I have these polyurethane engine and trans mounts in my other Jeep. I've had them for about 10 years and I really like them. They last a lifetime of the vehicle and they're really solid. This is the stock one right there, one of them. They said they had to beat it to hell to get it out of there.